Okay, to start taking this center console out, you need to raise your lid up here. Grab it here. I've already got the rubber part of the cup holders out. Grab a hold of it here. Start pulling up on it. Okay, pull that out. This here just sits in there. Got 2 bolts down here, 2 bolts on the other side, 2 bolts in the very back, and 2 on the back side. Okay, the back of the console, you need to pull the carpet back like this. You don't have to take this part off, but it makes it easier to see what you're doing in behind here. You got a bolt here, a bolt over here, 10mm. So we'll take them out. Okay, I got 2 10mm bolts on both sides and the back here. Okay, you got your 2 back bolts out of the console. Time to move the seat back. Right in this area right here. And to pull that carpet down, there's another bolt right here on both sides. Okay, pull your carpet back. It's like this, it might have 2 bolts on each side. I was thinking it was only 1. 2 on the driver's side, 2 on the passenger side. This gear shifter got busted in the accident, so I gotta change up the whole thing. I've got it all loose so I can get it. You see it goes right down. Okay, up underneath. Car looks pretty clean underneath. But underneath you got your shift linkage, and that's a 10mm bolt. Take that off. Pop that out. Okay, that one's disconnected. So now we'll go up on top, pull that one out, stick the new one down in there. I completely disassembled mine. I took it all apart. I pulled all the electronic switches and stuff out of it, so I could have the original switches that go in it. Because the one I bought had it came with switches to repair it, and I just figured I'd just switch it out that way. Put the original stuff in it. So now this is ready to pull out. See the light down below. I'm ready to drop a new one in. This is real important. Turn your power on, make sure it's in park. And also make sure your shifter's in park. It'll help synchronize it up as you put it in. Get inside the car. Make sure it's not sitting on any wire. Now we're set her down on there. Okay, that's the way we want it right here. I'll go unhook the battery so I don't have to listen to that ding ding. But it's set down on there now, so we're ready to go up under the car and make that connection. Okay, snap that in place. Now we're ready to put the nut on it. Okay, putting it back together is just the reverse of taking it apart. Just put your bolts back in your center console. Everything is back to normal, working good. Hit the start button. Starts up with no problem. It's in park. It's in drive, neutral, reverse. Sound check tire pressure. We got 2 flat tires. All this is all back to normal. If you can hear my fan, that's my fan. It's got a crack in it, so I'm gonna have to replace the fan. That's not the motor. But I want to show you this is the electronics that came with the shifter that I bought. See, it has lots of little switches on it. Switches here. I was going to show you on the old shifter. I was going to kind of put this back together and show you on this, but I don't know what I did with the old shifter. The part that I pulled out of here, I might have thrown it away already. But this is the electronics that came with the shifter that I bought, and it came with little switches here to fix it with. It had It had a problem where sometimes it wouldn't show that it was in part. It would say shift apart. So this one's working fine. This is the electronics that's in this one now is the electronics that came with this car. So they was driving the car, so apparently there wasn't no problem with it. These electronics here is what came with the shifter that I bought from eBay. And one of these switches needed to be repaired. I believe it was this one right here. The one next to this white piece. This one right here. A piece comes in, and this is your park switch right here. This one right here, I believe. To take all that apart to get to it, I just thought, well, it would be easier just to swap these electronics out. Like 4 bolts and you're done. So that's what I did instead. The trick to taking this apart, if you have to separate this here off the top of your shifter, if you want to pull this piece right here off the top of your shifter, then look for this piece right here. It's in the side right here. Pop this out. That's what it looks like right there. Pull that out, then you'll be able to pull this piece up off the shifter if you're doing the same project that I'm doing. If you got to replace switches, if you got the same problem with the Cadillac that it's not showing that it's in part, then you'll have to pull this top piece off. Pull this top piece off where you could get into them electronics right there. So this one's all good to go now. I'm waiting on 2 tires, and I'll be able to take it for a drive.
Explore the musical universe of U2 on their own SiriusXM channel, along with exclusive shows from the band.
Hi, this is Edge, and I'm here with David Byrne.
Bono calling. Are you out there?
U2X Radio.
So I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. Just, if you're doing this project, just take your time and pull the center console out and just stick it over to your passenger seat where you can get to your shifter. If you gotta change the switches out in your shifter, it's really not that hard. Find you a shifter on eBay, or I think the new ones are quite expensive. I believe they're over $200. You get one for about $50 on eBay, but you're not quite sure on the conditions of your switches. So now we're just one step closer to driving this car. So thanks for watching.